Let's take a look at the tutorial for replacing the screen on the PM20 drum filter. The tools we need are a new screen to replace it, a power tool, 2 fixing belts, a Phillips screwdriver, 2 belt tabs, adhesive tape, a tensioner, and a hammer. Remove the screws that hold the drain tank in place. Remove the top nozzle. Remove the screws holding the screen. Mark the position of the pressure strip with a pencil before removing it. Remove the screen holder. Use pliers to remove the steel bands on both sides of the drum. Remove the tape holding the screen at both ends to remove the screen. Remove the 2 pieces of tape. Place one end of the new screen flush with the line. Secure both sides with tape. Gently rotate the drum around. Tighten the screen and tape it in place. Fine-tune the screen to fit the drum. Tear off 2 pieces of tape. Temporarily attach the non-clipped end of the tape to the drum. Then rotate the drum smoothly to wind the tape in. Remove the tape holding the belt in place. Temporarily fasten one of the belts to the other. Now we'll secure the other one. Insert one end of the band into the buckle. Tighten the band and move it so that it is against the edge of the drum. Place the strap piece under the buckle and press it firmly. Set the tensioner in the same direction. Tighten the band with the tensioner. Then cut off the excess band. Use a pair of pliers and a hammer to tighten the buckle. Be careful not to hit the drum gears. Once the clips are tightened, the belt is ready to be installed. Now let's fix the other one. Tighten the band while adjusting the flatness of the screen. Place the belt piece on the bottom of the buckle. Tighten the belt and adjust it by hand so that the belt is close to the side wall of the drum. Use the tensioner to tighten the belt again. Note: tighten the band until it holds the screen in place. Over-tightening may cause deformation inside the drum. Cut off the excess steel belt. Tighten the clips firmly. Turn on the flashlight and place it inside the drum to observe the position of the screw holes. Tighten the screen while holding down the press bar and aligning the press bar with the holes. Then use a screwdriver to poke the screw holes. Screw in the screws. Position the second hole. Turn the screws into the holes and turn. Attach the flange nut to fix the press bar. Put the drain back in place. Finally, install the nozzle to complete the replacement.